Intro. CapCut has released a brand new AI tool that lets you translate your videos into different languages. Let me show you step by step how it works. Step 1. Open CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. Step 2. Go to AI Tools. On the main screen, tap on the AI Tools section. Step 3. Select Translate. Inside AI Tools, you'll see the Translate option. Tap on it. Step 4. Choose your language. Now, select the language you want your video to be translated into, for example, English, Spanish, or Hindi. Step 5. Premium subscription. CapCut will then ask you to upgrade to a premium subscription. Once you subscribe, your video will automatically be translated into the language you selected. Outro, and that's it. With CapCut's new AI Translate tool, you can easily translate your videos into any language. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more CapCut tips.